Alright, hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So for those of you who are new, my name is Christiane, otherwise known here as IHeartAirbrush. And today we're going to be creating this look. Yes, this is an inspired recreation of a Milk 1422 face chart. I absolutely fell in love with this face chart and wanted to challenge myself, of course, with the lovely task of doing it in all airbrush makeup. So this is a chart. To get to this, if you are interested in knowing how I recreated this Milk 1422 face chart using all airbrush makeup, of course, then please keep on watching. Alright, first things first, let's start by concealing using Dinair Neutralizing Camouflage line in the shades Honey Beige and Olive Beige. This time I put a little bit more of Olive Beige instead of doing an even 1-to-1. I did more like a 3-to-1, favoring Olive Beige because I did want to have this, I guess, act as the highlight to make my face look nice and bright, as well as conceal, of course. Then I'm going to go in and apply a Dinair Opalescent shade Blood Orange using my shadow shield just so I can get that nice defined outline before I go in and fill. Okay, now that I have that all set up with the outline, let's just drag it across the lower lash line like so, and then fill it on in. This goes all the way to the inner corner into where I would start my nose contour. So I'm just going to go ahead and take it down and then fill in until I reach the desired depth of color. Alright, so now that I have the desired depth, I'm just going to go in and take Dinair Opalescent shade Date Night and add a highlight to that red tone. This is going to add a nice brightening effect. And then I'm also going to apply it to the inner corner of the lower lash line as well. Okay, next I'm going to be taking the Dinair FX shade Blue and creating that beautiful poppin' blue shade all over the lid, focusing more on the base where my lash line is and blending it up toward the natural fold like so. Then I'm just going to go ahead and cut the crease, if you may, using my shadow shield like so. And then I'm going to define the outer corner of the lid just by applying a little there. Then, to give that illusion of a nicely filled waterline, I'm just going to go ahead and apply it through the lashes on the underside of the lash line. And then I'll be going in with Dinair Shimmer shade Lagoon for that nice teal tear duct moment. And I'm just taking my time to make sure that I achieve the right shape, rounding it out and blending it in toward the inner corner of the lid. And then, of course, the inner corner of the lower lash line like so. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and take Dinair FX shade Blue one more time and just touch up the inner corner of the lid. That way things appear a bit more seamless. You know, we want everything to be nice and cohesive and as close to the chart as we could get it. Then I'm going to go ahead and deepen that tone just by using Dinair Glamour shade Marsala to the outer corner, outer V area, more in the transition, and then take that down toward the outer corner of the lower lash line as well, just for some depth. Then I'm going to take Dinair Soft Glow shade Honey Beige and just go ahead and conceal like so, adding a more of a brightening effect to the under eye area. And then I'm going to go ahead and highlight the rest of my face with Honey Beige on its own like so. All the high points. Okay, now that I'm nice and lit up, I'm just going to go ahead and take Dinair Glamour shade Sepia and apply my contour like so. The original face chart had a really nice, bold, deep contour, so I'm going to go ahead and try to mimic that, which is why I chose this shade Sepia. I feel like it has like the perfect hue for a shadowing effect. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut the cheekbones like so, temples like so, and then as you see, I'm going to go ahead and cut the nose contour exactly as close as I could get it to the face chart, because the face chart has a really cut contour. It's snatched, girl. I'm trying to get snatched too. Alright, so now that my contour is all cut and snatched, I'm going to go ahead and go in with foundation, and here I'm using Dinair Soft Glow shades Honey Beige and Nutmeg mixed together because that is my perfect shade. I'm just going to go ahead and apply my foundation smoothly, seamlessly, and as even as I could get it, girl. Okay, and now that my foundation is done, it's time to go ahead and get that bushy brow game on point. And I'm just going to spoolie them up and lay them nice and flat. And then I'm going to take the Great Lash Clear Lash Gel, and I'm just going to go ahead and use it on my brows to go ahead and hold them steady and in place. just like so. Alright, now that my brow hairs are standing up and they ain't going nowhere, I'm going to go ahead and take a mixture of Colair Brow Shade Dark Smoke and Glamour Shade Jet Black at a 1:1 ratio, and I'm just going to go ahead and use the Dinair Brow Hair Stencil set to go ahead and create some hair-like strokes. Because my brow hairs are a little thin on the ends, you know, we got to make them a little bit more bushier to fit this look. So I'm just going to go ahead and add these brow hairs all throughout my natural brow like so. There you go, nice and bushy. Yeah. Okay, now for the fill, I'm just going to be applying Dinair Colair Brow Shade Dark Smoke and filling it in with my normal favorite 8C stencil. Next, I'm going to apply Dinair Opalescent shade Island Sands for that pop and highlight just on the bridge of the nose like so. And then a little bit of glow to the cheekbones. Not much though, because the Facechart doesn't have a big glow. Then I'm going to go ahead and tone that down just a little bit by using Dinair Soft Glow shade Honey Beige like so. Anytime you overdo it a little bit on any of the shades, just go in with the foundation just like you normally would. Then to set this look and lock it all in place, I'm going to go in with Skindinavia Bridal Makeup Finishing Spray and then coat my lashes with Mary Kay Lash Love Mascara, pop on some Kiss lashes in the style Peony, and then it's time for the lips, girl. So here I'm just taking Rimmel London's Lasting Finish lip liner in the shade Coffee Bean. I'm just going to go ahead and give my lips a nice beautiful fill and then go in applying Dinair liquid lipstick shade Wine Down to finish it off. And once the lips are complete, we got to put the final touches on this look and then we're good. Right, and this is the finished look. I absolutely love how this look came out. It is so risque, like it's so deep and dark and I like it. Anyways, hopefully you guys think I did a good job recreating this Milk 1422 Facechart look. Yes, with October being here and Halloween just being a week away, this look is really nice if you're going for that quick, easy glam thing. You know, you could even add a little spider somewhere on here, you know, throw on a little witch's hat or just on some ears and you could rock the Halloween look with this makeup. I absolutely love it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it entertaining, of course. And please remember, if you did, to go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. It helps me out a ton. And remember, as always, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe today. And if you choose to subscribe today, or if you are already subscribed, do not forget to hit that little bell icon right next to the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. That way you get the quickest updates anytime I upload a video. All right, loves, thank you so much again for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next one.